out today. Coffee brewing. I think I look kind of cute today. Well, tingnan bye. Gloomy day. Nag-cancel yung first na graph. So happy with the weather today. Like, it's breezy. It's very gloomy today. I don't know if it's gonna rain. I hope it doesn't. Grab po. Pinag-isipan ko na to actually kagabi. I'll just have flat white, brown butter banana bread.
I saw pa. Oh my gosh. Si Era actually also. Usually taken by this crop, and then it's going to be processed because the coffee bean, siguro the untrained, so where is the farm, where is the tree, grape, how the coffee will taste. Okay, from the book, The Physics of Coffee, we love using a recipe that suits the coffee better. So I will use my white.
Nawawala ako guys, no? Hindi ko alam kung tama ang ginapuntahan ko. Ayun. Grabe ka funny eh. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung tama ang ginapuntahan ko guys. So medyo lost ako, no? Kasi hindi ako sure kung tama ang ginapuntahan ko. I saw na yung hinahanap ko. Marami akong na-buy guys. I'm so happy. Hi guys, I'm back home. I'm in our dining table. Walang nakaset up. Akalayatan nila walang magla-lunch. Anyway, I'll show you what I bought from the farmer's market. I got talong. I got lettuce. So this is 50 per pack. And then I got citrus fruits. Half kilo lang. Organic farmer's market yan guys. So I'm assuming lahat to organically. There's a shot. I got 1 kilo avocado. Ito super cheap. Like 100 something per kilo lang. And then the kamote is 40 pesos per kilo. So I got 1 kilo.